Alright, let's continue to draw this running animation. And I got to, I'm not going to hide everything because I think the previous one, yeah, let's just hide all one sprite collection because this is not useful right now. I think I got some of the transparent area that I don't actually need, so I'm going to add this layer and change the layer to a completely different color. Maybe yeah, I think this we do because, or maybe green. Yeah, I got green, yellow ish color. Yeah, maybe that will do. So just the paint bucket, so I can get the huge contrast here. Then eraser, get this like a rogue, get this rogue animation. Okay, paint bucket. You have to adjust the tolerance. Okay, I think sometimes like a best to just this is like a faster. Then you're adjusting all these settings. Sometimes it's unnecessary. So erase. Okay, looks good. It's good, and yeah, you can duplicate this because I already got this copy of the stand as a reference, so I got a wrong one, and then I can duplicate the layer as run 2 and then use this as a reference and then change to run 2. So when you are actually running, you go up and you like going really hard, and then you sort of like duck your head. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. L, and I'm going to get a whole head. I'm making the head going down. Like I want her to running like a really fast and really like a go for it. Okay, and then the hand. I want her hand to like going way closer, or maybe just for like expressiveness to like come closer to the face, so sort of obstruct a little bit. Okay, and then darker color. Yeah, that's definitely too big with the brush. And going down, and this should be erased. Okay, and the leg, I want her leg to go like upper still. Yeah, accidentally. Like remove something. Yeah. And this leg, because it's running, so the leg is very, very important. And her trousers is black. Her dress is like a dark blue. So I have to show some part of her leg, like go like really forward this way. So that's how I'm going to do it. So the leg should be go here, and then like is her boots. Okay, like she's running really, really hard, and then this part should be like erased. Okay, all that should be erased because it's not there. Then the bluish area should like get lifted up because we got this leg as a force that push all the dress going up. Okay, so I can express that she's like move forward like a really hard, and then the okay. Let me compare this to. So going this way. Okay, I think the part of her leg also rotate a little bit. Okay, so it's like she's running really fast and hard. Okay, then don't worry, I can always like cover some parts. Because that's definitely too big. Okay, and yeah, and since she's like running horizontally, so the here should go up a little bit. Just a tiny little bit to show the movement. Then I think it's pretty safe to just erase everything here. Okay, yeah. So start running really fast. So talk a little bit. Going up, yeah. Let me see about that, because I think it's a little bit like dumb. This. Yeah, I'm going to make her arm curve a little bit, so I'm going to do something drastic. I'm going to carve some part out like this, so you can really see she curve the arm. Okay, like really curve it. And a tiny bit to cover. Yeah, it's a little bit dumb. It's a little bit dumb position, but yeah, you never know until you got the like time frame. Of course, you can already test this by using the timeline tool. Okay, so there will be run 1, and then add it, and there will be run 2, and then you can test things out. Okay, let me screen this by making it smaller. Okay, the arm is not moving, like this back arm is not moving, so yeah, I have to change it. So I think should like go back still. So what I'm going to do is to first let's use lasso tool, because you know I'm lazy. You can't blame lazy, because that's the like the ultimate drive for innovation. Yeah. just yeah, I just find some reason for my laziness. So sorry about that. Erase, because I got all this like green color all messed up, so I have to use this color to compensate it. Okay, add a little bit of variation. Don't make it down, okay? Do not like a block use a lot of color that you are not going to like later. Yeah, that looks pretty choppy. Let me just zoom it. Yeah, I think the leg part is a little bit weird. Okay, I'm going to like do some adjustment by making it like 0.5. Okay, 0.5, so at least I know what's going on. Going down, going down, going down. Yeah, I think this should like going all the way up rather than just the ankle of the leg. So that's where the problem is. So got here, and then it should rotate a little bit. Okay, I know where I did wrong. So lasso, get all the here and move it, like even rotate it, and then move it up. Okay, and then apply the change, then adding some part of myself. Okay, let's do this. Okay, that looks pretty good. And of course the sword is not changing. The sword is definitely not changing, so I have to change a little bit of the sword. So let's go back to the first frame. Let's go to the first frame, and yeah, first frame we don't need to change. So the sword part, things she's like moving forward, so the sword should just to change a tiny little bit, just 1 pixel down. Sorry, here, 1 pixel down. That should do, and all this sword part here as well as here. Things is like this down, then this should go up. Oh yeah, sorry, I shouldn't include this. So like alternative, how to alternative this. Okay, it doesn't really matter. I'm going to redo, deselect, get all this up and rotate a little bit. Up and rotate a tiny little bit. And then yeah, let's draw this, because it's kind of blurred. Let me use the sword just to make sure I'm not like messing up by choosing a new color which is not suitable for the game, and the darker color is the outside of the sword. Where's the like the first frame? Let me add some part of the sword. as well. Just don't make it weird. Okay, and the like this part should like go here, like just moving, right? Go here, down a little bit. Okay, so let's try this. Okay, that looks nice. That looks nice. Alright, so we can continue to do the third frame.